So it's been a good couple of weeks since the last visit, yes.
Kind of progressed into my
Right or left side?
strap on this side. I think it came from, I was lifting a heavy steel target out.
It came on later though.
Came on like later in the day while we were still out there. So.
All right, tell me which area feels most tender here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Which one felt most tender?
5.
Okay, so that's part of the muscle system. So that's C5, T5, T11, and L5. So I'm contacting right around C5 area here. Fingers are right there. There it is. Good job. There it is. You know, I'm adjusting the zone. Zone 5 or the muscle system. That's what goes down like C4, C5 into this area of the shoulder right there. That's the nerve pattern right through there.
Nope.
We're gonna drop out that middle section, place my hand right at that L4, L5 area. Contacting right with the piezoform of my hand, just in those 2 vertebrae right there. And I'm bringing it off to the side here. Good. Let's have you lay on this side. For Army Bruce, some pretty big dudes, man. There we go. Good. Full circle. Good. So 4 getting affected there. Good.